We are live right now from the New York Stock Exchange. Dakota's first visit to New York. So we just got a tour, ring the bell. It was pretty cool stuff. I know we got markets making all-time highs. We got gold making all-time highs.
I know.
So there's a lot of trading going on there. Dakota, how's New York been so far?
Dude, it's depressing, everyone. It's just so there's no light.
Yeah.
There's no smiles. There's no smiles anywhere. Everyone just buying. Everyone's buying the dip. It's the bell was loud, but after like the first 30 minutes, it's just dead silent. Dead silent. So we did place a trade. I bought the dip. New York session open. Worked out. So I technically traded on the New York Stock Exchange. Right?
I guess so. I guess it counts.
Okay.
Vinny making his debut on Fast Markets. Anyone watching right now, Vinny? You have to say hello to.
My mom always watches me. She texts me. I check up on him later, and every time I miss something or say something, she comments on. She sent me, "You miss gold, WTH," and then she said, "Be nice!" Exclamation point.
She's talking trash on you for missing the gold trade. Tell him, Mom. Tell him, Mom.
Rub it in.
God bless her.
Sounds like Mom's saying you snooze, you lose, son. I mean, that's pretty much what it sounds like to me. Love it.
A lot of people ask me, can you teach me what you do or how you do what you do? And my immediate answer is, I can't teach you patience. I can't teach you to get tired of your own crap. I can't teach you to get tired of getting your butt kicked and doing the same things over and over and not doing them. I can't teach you that.
How many times and what price?
25,770.
What's your risk on a trade like this?
I believe it's $1,000. So my DLL on this account is 2,000. So we'll see.
Jacob is in the man in the tuxedo, looking like James Bond. I absolutely love it. Short 4 now, Jacob?
Yeah.
Let's go. Pushing lower here. What was it?
You're out? 800.
1,800?
Yeah.
1,800.
Very nice.
My man, live fun in short 4. Nice cover. Look at that smile, man. You were sweating that shit too. What's up, Jacob?
Even if somebody handed me $1,000 today, I said, okay, this is $1,000 for your trading and don't trade today. I say, no, I will trade. I want to play. The only thing that will keep going on this game is to accept losses. And you cannot accept losses if you don't love the game.